Good morning from the middle of nowhere here in Norway. Last night I got a solid 2 hours of sleep, which is not the ideal, but it's totally fine because I'm pretty excited for the first solo mission of the year. For this hike, I wanted to go as minimal as I can, and everything I need for the next couple of days, including camera gear, is in this backpack. To be honest, my sleeping bag is not the smallest one, and after I put that in, there was really not that much room for other stuff, so the decision was relatively easy to leave all the rest of my gear home. The camera I have with me is my Olympus EM5 Mark III with the 12 to 40 millimeter lens, and I also have my DJI Mavic Air 2 and a bunch of batteries, and that's it. So instead of me talking very much, I rather want to show you guys how beautiful this place looks to me. So without further ado, let's keep moving. Definitely got soaked back there. Both of my feet are completely wet. Oh shit, river crossing. Let's see how this works out. It's probably pretty cold. Ooh. Getting there, getting there. This is so freaking cold, you have no idea. Made it! That was horrible! Holy smokes, I knew I was definitely coming here for an experience, but I did not expect to have to cross this icy freaking river. Shoes are soaked, pants are soaked. I mean, I'll definitely remember this forever, I'm pretty sure. The water over here, they say it's some of the purest water that you can find in the nature here in Norway, so I will gladly enjoy a pint or two of this. And I think we are almost reaching the top, which leads to the next mission, that is to find out where exactly is my $250 mansion located. So that's next, then probably some food, hopefully some rest later. We'll see. It's just so fun to be outside, come on. Can't beat this. video for this long, I think you definitely deserve to see how does this place actually look like. It's time to eat. It's been a while since the last time, and today we have some delicious roasted almonds, soaked, peeled, and roasted by yours truly. It's kind of like how I feel right now. And the main dish is a great chunk of manchego cheese. So good. So good. Manchego cheese, write it down. Big shout out to the one and only French boss man, Mr. Alex Troll, for being such a great manchego cheese ambassador. It is one of the best things I know. It smells so bad, tastes like heaven. And since we don't have anything to cook with, we're going with snacks. Maybe doing something different next time. We'll see. Thanks for coming. In this episode, Eating in Nature with Joel, this is it. Gotta keep moving before it gets dark. Except it doesn't get dark. So a little change in plans. As you saw, the terrain was pretty rocky up there, and there are some green areas as well, which was exactly what I was thinking where I would put my tent tonight. But all of those spaces were actually covered in snow, so I had to come up with some sort of plan B, which now is going down there all the way and setting my camp right by the lake. Get some fresh water to drink, brush my teeth, and sleep well. See you at the base camp. My goodness, it's been a long day. I can definitely feel it, especially with the little sleep I had. I didn't quite get the $1 million view I was originally wanting to get for my camp spot tonight, but I got something pretty awesome. I'm gonna show you this view in the morning, so it's time to get some sleep. And good morning. Man, so nice to wake up, hear the birds singing. Let's see how it looks outside. Okay, I see you. It's not the $1 million view, so here's the 300K view. I'm just gonna enjoy the view for a second, pack up my camp, start heading towards home. The first hike of this season is finally done. I just checked, I got 19 kilometers yesterday and 7 today, and I think I definitely got a little sunburnt, but it's fine, it will go over. If you want to see more hiking and outdoor videos, leave a comment down, and if you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you enjoyed. As I mentioned in my last video, I'm also giving away a camera which is the same one I'm using for filming this, and it has quickly become my all-around favorite tool, and I'm happy to give that to one of you lucky guys. And again, thanks for watching. I am out of here, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Peace.